Hello everyone. So for today's class, we did talk about or learn a song in moments like this. Is a continuation of what we did last week. Very easy, simple way of playing it as beginners. So we went through the course again. I think it was more of the chorus. Today we did the verse. I'll run through that and I'll teach what chords are used. We did I think few diminished chords and then um, new chords that apply which you see. So for the verse, we've learned this one. 5 1. To the chorus again. 5 1. Five one again. Okay. I know I've added few chords. I think we did talk about this 5 1 progressions, which is popular. So you can put that in because we are going to the four. Okay. So yeah, learn it and let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, please just don't hesitate. Let me know. I'll just play through once again. sorry about that mistake, but it wasn't too bad. Yeah, just learn it and then send me your homework when you can. Latest Thursday or Friday. God bless you.